Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how you can recall an email on Gmail. Basically, recalling an email is once you once you send a message or an email to someone and you change your mind, or you don't want to change it to send it to someone, how you can recall it. Now, basically, it has its cons. Is that you only have 30 seconds for you to actually recall that message that you sent. Otherwise, it's going to be sent, and you have basically no other option other than just accept your fate and that you sent the message. So how we can do this? It's pretty easy actually. So let's say I want to send a message to someone, and then basically I took this one from me, and then the subject was blah blah blah. The subject was blah blah blah. Then I clicked, and then basically I got a mistake, and I didn't want to send an email. I click on send. Now once I click okay, and I chose a specific subject that I want to send to someone, and the subject was blah blah blah. The same thing here, and I clicked on send. I only have some time until I click on undo on the top and the bottom right corner, and then it's going to undo the message, and you're going to recall the email. But you only have 30 seconds for you to recall the email. Otherwise, you're basically the message is going to be sent. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.